I'm super excited to be unboxing a mystery box from Fundelivered today. They sell unclaimed and undelivered packages that never made it to their destination. I grabbed the smallest box that they offer, and I can't wait to see what surprises and goodies we have. So keep on watching. Got some goalie, which actually I hear goalie is very good, so I don't think I'm disappointed. All right. What is it? Help. What is it? I don't know what this is. I'm going to have to look it up. What in the world? I'm going to have to get my husband to help me figure out what this even is. What are they? Okay, I figured out what they are. Armrest grips. Okay, probably not something I'll use. I was going to bet a baseball hat, but no, I changed my mind. But got an odd shape. What do we got? Oh, maybe we have many things. Some Merry Christmas. Okay, we'll look in a sec. And what in the world? All right, let me just see. Okay, that's it. Let's open this up. Is it a backpack? I think it's a little backpack. It is. It's actually like, oh, it's like a what is it? Not a backpack, but one of those bags, right? What's that called? Let me just back this up a little so you can see it. It's actually pretty cute. Not bad. I wonder where this is from. Is there a tag? That's actually kind of cute. And then this, I'm not sure what this is. Let's get it opened. Oh. Is it just Christmas? Oh, they're little Christmas stencils. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Oh, little gnome. How cute is that? These are cute. Okay, these are cute. This was actually a good one. I like this one. A little odd shape to it. Okay. What? A shower seltzer holder? Just what we needed. That's pretty funny. Another one that has a very odd shape feeling. It's something squishy. Okay, this sound feels like it's a doll. All right, let's see. All right. Oh gosh. Okay. It is a damn it doll. When you drop the ball and just can't seem to win at all, this damn it sports doll will help eliminate your stress. Just take this with you when you play, and if your game slips, slam it. And as you whack the stuffing out, you yell, "Damn it." Oh, it's kind of cute. It was a little scary looking at first, but I think it's cute. What do you think? Hmm. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, pair of glasses. All right, let's see if they're any good. They're kind of nice looking. Hmm. Okay, hang on here. Nice. We see a name, a brand? No, but they are nice. Okay. Those are pretty nice. I don't know if there's a name, but I'm going to just turn it this way just in case. I don't think there is, but it's from Walmart. Ooh. Well, oh gosh. Ah, what in the world do we have here? Oh, okay. Whew. I think it might be a mask. I was thinking it was more along the personal lines. Oh, no, it is along the personal lines. Okay, quite pretty. There's a name, so we're going to do it this way. Ooh. All right. This feels like a sweatshirt or something like that. Let's see. Okay. I'm not so sure yet what it is. Oh, okay, cool. It's a pair of sweatpants and a sweatshirt. Extra large, but actually very cute. Okay, not bad at all. So my overall thoughts, here we go. This is everything that I got. I paid $84.99 for this package. I absolutely way exceeded that in value. And you know what I think was number one, it was really fun. And number two, it gave us an opportunity to learn some new products we didn't even know existed. So I kind of feel like it's a win win, even still, for the brands that had the lost mail by replacing it to the customer, and then it gets sold off this way. Like, it really, I absolutely loved it. I highly recommend it. It was a lot of fun. We got some really cool stuff, and like I said, we learned about some products that I didn't even know existed before. Highly recommend. And Fundelivered has been nothing but very reliable. They shipped real quick, so I highly recommend them as well, because you have to be cautious who you order from.